It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question number 45. We have a limit as x approaches infinity. 3x squared minus 5x plus 1 over 3 minus 4x squared. Right? Okay, if x approaches positive infinity or negative infinity, what we have to do is we look at the denominator and look for the term with the highest degree. What constant is degree 0? And here we have a negative 4x squared, right? Degree 2, right? So highest degree in this denominator is 2. Then what we have to do is we must divide the denominator and numerator by x squared. This term right here. Okay, let's try this. So that is equal to limit as x approaches infinity. Here we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 1 over x squared. And denominator we have 3 minus 4x squared. Divide this by x squared. Okay, so that's going to be equal to, as x approaches infinity, here x squared, 3x squared. 3x squared over x squared, that's a 3, right? So that's going to be equal to 3. And here, negative 5x over x squared, that's going to be negative 5 over x. So minus 5 over x. And here, 1 over x squared. So plus 1 over x squared. Okay, let's look at denominator. 3 over x squared. So that's going to be 3 over x squared here. And we have a negative 4x squared over x squared. That's going to be negative 4, right? So minus 4 here. So as x approaches infinity, this term right here approaches 0, right? Because of 5 over infinity. If we have infinity in the denominator, that's going to be equal to 0. That approaches 0, right? Also, this one, 1 over infinity squared, that's 1 over infinity, right? So that approaches 0. This one also approaches 0, right? So that's going to be equal to, we have 3 minus 0 plus 0 over 0 minus 4. So the answer must be 3 over negative 4. Also, there is another way to find the limit as x approaches positive infinity or negative infinity. When both the numerator and denominator have the same degree, in this case we have degree 2, right? Then the answer is leading coefficient of numerator over leading coefficient of denominator, which is equal to 3 over negative 4. It is because this is rational function, right? We have the same degree in numerator and denominator. Then we learned that the horizontal asymptote is 3 over negative 4, right? So graph of this has horizontal asymptote negative and negative 3 over 4, like that, right? So the graph approaches the negative 3 over 4 as x approaches infinity, right? Either from here to here or from here to here, right? So as x approaches infinity, all of this expression approaches horizontal asymptote, which is equal to 3 over negative 4. All right?